Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. My name is 𝐖𝐢𝐠 and today's video is a wig review from OMGHERHAIR. This is the package the wig came in. They sent a wig cap, a take home and elastic bands, and here's the specification of this wig. It's a 20-inch unit in 150 density, and the hair texture is a Yankee straight unit. Guys, here is the hairline of this wig. It came beautifully pre-plucked and it looks so natural, and the lace is everything and more. Guys, you guys are going to see the goodness of this wig. And here's the construction of this wig cap. It has 3 combs and the lace front is already bleached, as you guys can see. So without wasting much time, let's go into the installation of this wig. Also, I'm going to leave all details of this hair in my description box for you guys, and also leave my discount codes for you guys to save some money. And do not forget to give me a thumbs up, leave your comment in the comment section, and subscribe to this channel if you've not subscribed already. Hit the subscribe button, turn on your post notifications so you don't miss out on any of my upload. So I'm just going to start by putting the wig on our hair and just show you guys the whole process. And I'm going to use my 𝐃𝐞𝐫 glue to install this wig. You guys can see how natural the hairline looks on her. Like, it looks like it's her hair, like it looks like scalp, guys, and that is how good this lace is. When the walls are breaking down, when we're falling with our head on the ground, do you feel it's reaching now? Can you hear the curtains fall? It is certain it's emerging. We've been waiting for the shadows to rain.
Show me loving. I need your loving. 'Cause I'm drowning in something and I can't come out. Just show me loving. I need your loving. Me, myself, ain't enough. It's like being hooked up to a crushing heart. I want you to know how bad it hurts. You got me beside along my heart. Oh, 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 are you dreaming of me now? The way I do. Oh, 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 are you dreaming of me now? The way I do. Hold me, lover. I need you, lover. 'Cause I'm falling in too quickly and I can't break free. Just hold me, lover. I need you, lover. Me and myself ain't enough. It's like being alone in a crashing car. I need you to know how bad it hurts. Hearing the sound of my broken heart. Oh, 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 are you dreaming of me now? The way I do. Oh, 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 are you dreaming of me now? The way I do.
Here guys, this is the final look of this installation. This wig is beautiful. My mother is just, you know, loving this hair. Guys, this hair is gorgeous, and I'm going to leave details of this unit in my description box for you guys to grab this hair. Please do not forget to give me a thumbs up, leave your comment in the comment section. Let me know what your take on this wig is, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights.